Oh yeah, these are coming along so nice. Man, Greg Sage is going to be so proud to see these grown out. Can't wait to get them in the Biotope. Oh, hello! Welcome to the Biotopes. Back here at the fish room, we're heading into part 4 of our Upper Amazon Peruvian Biotope build. And today, we're going to add 2 more fish species into the tank. You think you know what they are? Well, get comfortable, stay tuned, and let's check them out. Alright, here's the first one. This is a male brown bristlenose pleco. He's probably 2 years old, I would say. Really good size, loves this cave, spends a lot of time in the cave, so I feel lucky that we get a good shot of him. And then right next door is a female adult brown bristlenose pleco. And not been able to pair them up yet. She doesn't seem interested in him, but she's full adult size. And I've got her in this tank here that's really seasoned, lots of great mulm, heavily planted val, and lots of caves and wood and stuff. So she's doing great, fully conditioned, both really healthy plecos, and gonna go great in the Biotope. So I'm really excited to get these 2 in here. So let's get them out of the tanks and into the Biotope. Alright, there she is. Got her, and we'll put her in the tank next. She's a good looking female. Get her in the tank. Okay, there he is. His tail's sticking out. There's still water in that cave. And we'll get him into the tank. Alright, I put the pleco in there. All the ghost shrimp are hanging out around the cave. I kind of pushed it into the side of that hill. And so all the ghost shrimp are looking for little yummies on that cave. But the pleco's in there. The temperature in both tanks are the same because we heat the room. The ghost shrimp are investigating, and we'll let Mr. Pleco get situated. But so far so good. Looks like he might be thinking about coming out. There he is. Those ghost shrimp are just all over. Oh, now he's back in. Not sure if he'll end up eating a ghost shrimp or not, but we'll see. Stay tuned, we got one more plec to get in there. Alright, we're back, and we've got 2 brown bristlenose plecos in here. The male's in this cave here. You can see his tail sticking out. Moved that cave from the other tank, as you remember. The female is just on the underside of this wood piece, and she's exactly the same color, so you can't even see her. But she's blending in nicely right there on that piece of wood. So it'd be great if they've been in tanks together before, and just not spawned at all. So we'll see what happens. If not, then that's fine too. Someday I'll probably like to get a few more and breed them out. But the tanks come along really great. You can see that frog bit is really doing well, and this again is just a Phoenix Stingray on this tank. Haven't started for adding fertilizers yet, but it's doing really well. I do have that one Indian almond leaf that's still floating, so that'll sink soon. And you can see just this frog, but the length of the roots in the 75 is, about halfway through. So a good 10 plus inches on some of these pieces. So excited to get in our next fish. What's it gonna be? Okay, our next fish are coming from this tank here. Not these two adult angels, but I've got 10 Corydoras aeneas catfish, or the bronze cory. And those are gonna be the next fish to go in the tank. So we'll get these guys caught out and into the biotope. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. We've got 10 bronze cories. Sorry for the glare. I've got the brightest shirt on ever, so sorry for that, but there they are. They're 10 of them, like I said, different sizes. A really great cory. It's what the albino cory is bred from. And in our biotope, they are found abundantly in the upper Amazon River in Peru. So they'll go great in this tank. So let's get them in. Here you go. Okay, got it? Mm-hmm. Okay, dump them in there.
Is the lid off?
Yep.
Well, look at them. Look at them swimming.
Mm-hmm.
They like them, you go.
Oh, I'm sure they love it. It's much bigger. Okay, here we go. So we've got 10 cories in there, and they should really start doing a number on the sand, working that up, turning it over. Just being able to clean up any uneaten food. And really, when you get a big group of cories like that, it really is great. In fact, you can see this guy back here already working through that dead spot, a couple of them, and really turning up that detritus in there. So that'll get that up in the water column and into the overflow and in the sump and filtered out. So we'll keep an eye on these guys and see how the tank changes by this time tomorrow. So as you can see, the tank is really coming along nicely. Got some twigs, leaf litter. Those plants are doing great. My pH right now is about an 8 here. That'll go down over time with all the organics. And we're just about 80 degrees, 79 and some change, or 80, kind of where it goes back and forth. So that's the current water parameters. And everybody's doing great and excited to get you guys updated. All right, everybody, so what do you think? So far we've got ghost shrimp, Brussels nose plecos, and bronze cories. This tank is really coming together. It's really starting to get that lived-in look with the leaf litter and the wood and the biofilm, the detritus. It's really gonna start mimicking that area in the upper Amazon River here in Peru specifically. So we've got 3 different types of animals, and we still have 2 more to add. So if you like this build, you're interested to see how this biotope gets finished, be sure you subscribe, hit a like. If you think you know what the next 2 species are, please leave it in the comments below, and let's see who's right. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.